Dang, man. What's wrong, Harris? Man, these kids, man, don't understand protein synthesis. Man, help them kids, bro. Look around, bro. Let's educate them. Man, you're right. Man, you see these fine students over here? Yeah, well, you see these books, man? You see these desks? I guess it is okay. Come on, man, you got so much more to teach, man. Man, you know what? You're right. You're dang right, I'm right. I can remember a time I was gosh dang wrong. Man, thanks, Miss P. Hey, man, that's what I'm here for. Transcription is the first step, starting with RNA polymerase. First one's with the DNA, then that's some nucleotides. Well, the initiation starts with transcription factors mediating RNA polybinding to the promoter region, aka the top box. Then comes elongation, boy, at the opposite sequence. A to U instead of T, cause it's a different acid. That's it. Okay, now you got mRNA. Now you gotta protect it from the attacking enzymes. Just add a 5' cap and a poly A tail. When it goes to the cytoplasm, I'll make sure it stays okay. 8th strand is good and he knows it. He don't say it, he shows it. He's still got all the introns, doesn't need those for reading. I need some RNA splicing. I need some SNRPs to come sliding. SNRPs form spliceosomes. Now you can splice it. Now you cut out the introns, just leave in the exons. Splice together what you got left. Now you're done with transcription, and now that you're done, you can leave the nucleus into the cytoplasm, lead onto the ribosome. I like to synthesize a string of amino acids, a polypeptide, a protein I can use for lots of cellular functions. With this mutation, the protein doesn't work. Oh, I like to synthesize string of amino acids, a polypeptide, a protein I can use for lots of cellular functions. With this mutation, the protein doesn't work. Oh, I like to synthesize. I like to synthesize. Oh, I like to synthesize. I like to synthesize. Oh, we're at the ribosome, we gotta translate it. All my codons come in triplets like a tricycle. The tRNA have antigens to match all the codons. The tRNA carry amino acids. Subunits attach as a ribosome. At the A side it carries the next amino acid. Then at the B side it carries the whole dang chain. At the E side you release empty tRNA. Whoa, initiation brings together a couple things. mRNA, ribosomal subunits. Then the peptide grows through elongation, and the stop codon signals termination. Now we gotta remember all the mutations, like the point mutation, which is one change base, which isn't that bad, cause the code is redundant. A frame shift is an insertion or deletion. Rot-row, which is sucky, affecting all the codons after that base. Oh, I like to synthesize. I like to synthesize. Oh, I like to synthesize. I like to synthesize. Oh,